Hey friends, if you wish to install and use Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now the best method is through the Microsoft Store, but you can always download it from the official website. However, I will suggest downloading this specific software from the Microsoft Store. So open the Microsoft Store, search for Adobe Reader, go to the first one option and click on install. Now I'll tell you why I recommend downloading it from the Microsoft Store, because when you download it from the browser, it also pushes Opera, it also pushes a lot of other software products, sometimes it also pushes McAfee, and that is not recommended. So that's the case. But if you want to download it, then the website is adobe.com and simply search for PDF Reader on it. Click on download and then click on download Adobe Reader and then click on open to install it on your system. However, I am downloading and installing it from the Microsoft Store. Now, once Adobe Acrobat Reader is installed on your system, this is a little different software. So you don't need to open it specifically, because see, what do we use it for? We use it to open PDF files. Now select any PDF file on your system, any PDF file. Right click on it, select open with, select choose another app, select Adobe Acrobat and click on always. Now here's what will happen. This file will open with Adobe PDF Reader, and after that every file will open with Adobe PDF Reader only and no other software. Every PDF file will open with the Adobe Reader. So this is the best way to do it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.